Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Crazy Gamer. Today in this video, I'm gonna be guiding you through how to link WestGame2 to Facebook. Linking your WestGame2 account to Facebook is important to save your progress, unlock rewards, and play across multiple devices. So let's get started. First of all, open up the WestGame2 game on your device and make sure to get to the home screen. Now, from the home page, go to the top left corner and tap on your avatar. This will open up the basic info section where you need to tap on more at the bottom right corner. Inside more, click on account. On the next page, tap on bind. Now, select the bind button right next to Facebook and follow through the instructions. You'll need to enter your Facebook account's credential. If you're already logged into your Facebook on the same device, you can tap on continue and follow through the instructions. Soon after you do that, you will be able to bind WestGame2 with Facebook as well. And that's it. Linking your WestGame2 account to Facebook is that easy. Now your progress is saved and you can even play on another device without losing your game. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe for more gaming tips, and drop a comment if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.